Yeah? You gonna play some music on your table? Oh, okay. Yeah. What about Twinkle Twinkle? Twinkle Twinkle? Okay. That's a good idea. I like your shirt. Yeah. Oh, no cell phone. I do like your shirt. Is that your passy clip? Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hi. June, can you say shoes? Very good. Can you say it again? Shoes. Very good, sweetie. Bath time. You saying bath time. Can you say it again? Say bath time. Very good. And say please. Very good. Say hi. Yeah, you're doing such a good job talking. I think my favorite is shoes. Can you say shoes? Can you say Grandma Sue? Well, shoes. Yeah, shoes. Very good. Say happy birthday, Grandma Sue. Yeah.